How to fix Roblox login error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll show you how you can fix your Roblox login error. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. To fix the login error of the Roblox application, what you have to do is first of all just make sure you've updated the Roblox app to the latest version. And then you can do this by launching your respective app store in the search box, typing in Roblox, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Now once you've updated the Roblox application, and then what you want to do is first of all again go ahead and then open up settings. Once you open up settings here, you want to simply look for the option called apps. Once you go to apps here, you simply want to search for Roblox. So let me also just go ahead and find Roblox and then simply tap on it. Once you find Roblox, tap on it, and then here what you want to do is go to storage, clear cache, and then make sure to clear the data. If this doesn't help, then what you can try to do is simply switch your network connection, meaning that if you're using Wi-Fi, then try to switch to cellular data and then try to open up Roblox and then try to log into your account and then see if that solves your problem. If not, then you can simply search for other networks that you have, or you can also use a VPN. And now you can go ahead and then open up Roblox. Make sure that your login details and sign in information is actually correct, because if they're not correct, that could also be another reason why you're not being able to log into your account. Just go to the login option, enter your login details, and then you should be able to log into your account respectively. And that's all it takes to fix the Roblox login error. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.